guys, and welcome back to Hunza Valley in Pakistan. We're in the very north of Pakistan and we're exploring the whole area of Hunza and surrounding areas. We've been in this hotel for a few nights now and we're moving to the next spot today, so if you want to find out where we're going, then make sure you keep watching. And yeah, had a really nice time in this hotel. One thing I will say is that the staff here have gone beyond, honestly, they've gone way beyond the Call of Duty to help us. They've even put the Wi-Fi in our room. I'm struggling to upload one of my daily videos because the Wi-Fi in Hunza area is quite bad, and they gave me the Wi-Fi, put it in my room so that I had the best Wi-Fi possible. And so yeah guys, I'm gonna head down and get some breakfast and explore some more of Hunza. Okay guys, so we just come down for breakfast and we have been given the breakfast of dreams. We've got the classic omelette, which I love the omelettes they've done here. Just like a lot of oil, a lot of veg, onion, and this is like a crepe, but it's like a Hunza crepe. So apparently he's like,
this is a Hunza bread, sir.
Thank you very much.
Hunza bread.
Hunza bread.
Shukriya.
I'm not too sure what's on it, but it looks very nice. I'm gonna go for this first. It's very inviting. I'm just gonna scoop it up. Wow, it's like very thin. Obviously you guys probably know what a crepe tastes like. It's very much like a crepe, but it's got like a lot of butter in it, on it, so like really nice texture. I'm gonna do a slightly different way to how I'm accent it. I'm gonna cut this omelette up and go for the bread. This is Hunza bread, and yeah, it's quite like, it's very solid, very hard. Oh, that's a lot of butter. And then we slap that on there, and we have ourselves
double-decker egg
omelette on toast. Oh wow, guys, so good. The bread is like not usual bread that I've had back home. Very hard with the butter. Thank you very much. And then the omelette, just like a perfect addition to it with all the veg inside. I think we've got some onions, some tomatoes. Wow, so good guys. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna absolutely demolish this right now.
You know, in French, in Italian, in European countries, and Australia, USA, and UK, the people make a different types of crepes, but we make only handmade at home. You know, we use a totally flour of organic.
It was
Delicious.
all so delicious. Thank you so much for taking the time to.
Okay guys, as you can see, I've absolutely demolished it. I said I would, and I did. And there's also the bread there that I didn't actually eat because... How was the meal for you, broski?
Delicious.
Yeah.
One of the best breakfasts I've had here in Pakistan.
Wow.
So very, very
That's a
good.
statement right there. And then just gonna finish it off with the old coffee. Thank you guys. Shukriya. Bye bye. Morning guys. You good?
Yeah.
Sorry I'm late. So we're just heading to the next spot now. It's a place called Upper Glacier, and I love my glaciers, so I'm really excited to go to this one. I'm with the boys, we're with the posh boys, and we're with Mr. World Nomad.
Good morning.
And we're just cruising along these like incredible landscapes. Okay guys, so this is Upper Glacier Road, and as you can tell,
Hopar.
Hopar.
Yes.
I've been saying Upper. Hopar. And wow, so we're just cruising along the riverside with just like sheer cliff edges either side and a pretty steep drop. One thing I've been asked quite a few times is like, is Hunza good in the winter? And I'd say yeah, obviously it's desirable to go in the summer, but it's still just as good in the winter. The only thing is you have to expect to be around between 7 and 9 degrees, minus 7 to 9 degrees in the evening, and then in the day around like 2 maybe.
Yes.
But when the sun's out, like, it's fine, it's absolutely fine. Look at these views, just look at them, just take that in guys. And look at that guys, so look how loose the rocks are, I mean, there's not a road there anymore. Well, it's like a minor road, but we were driving kind of along that, so it's kind of dangerous, but you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. The glacier we're heading to is an active glacier.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, guys, you'll be pleased to know I do actually know a fair bit about glaciers. I did a 4-hour exam for my A-level geography, so thank you to my geography teacher if you're watching, Mr. Taylor, you legend. I got a B in geography, guys, so don't expect too much information, but I know my way around a glacier, I'll tell you that. What about you, brother? Know anything about glaciers?
I know that they're cold.
He's not wrong. Guys, this has got to be probably the best road I've ever been on in terms of views. It's just incredible. Gorgeous. I've lost the adjectives to describe this place. Hello, sheepy. Hello. कैसे हो? DK. Okay guys, so we've arrived at the glacier. We just parked the car at a hotel and we're going to walk there now because it's a bit of a trek. So I'm very excited to see what this glacier is about. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. We've got a cow looking right at us. I'd probably say it's almost a perfect temperature. We've got 4 layers on, so I am quite warm. But the sun is strong today. And I've just got a glimpse of the glacier. I thought it was going to be like an hour trek. It's like 5 minutes. Assalamu alaikum.
You can see the flag? We have to take the...
Where's the flag?
From the top.
Ah, yeah. Wow.
This is the first view.
This is crazy, guys.
We're shooting cinnies over here, bro.
Yeah? Oh. Wow, guys. So the glacier goes all the way up there, and that's where we're going to be walking. You can kind of see there's so much snow on that mountain up there. You lived here all your life?
Yes.
Wow. Incredible views.
Chale.
Chale. Whenever I go hiking, I always bring all my camera gear, like my gimbal, my camera, 3 lenses, and I always get really tired because obviously it's very heavy. So I've gone minimalistic today, just got 1 camera in the back and drone and spare batteries, so it's very light and I'm feeling ready for this hike. Love a good hike, and with these views, I'm just lost for words, honestly. And so guys, you can see all these stones here are found in these mountains, which is pretty cool to think. So maybe I'll find a ruby today. Assalamu alaikum. We've got some visitors on our walk, some sheepies. Hello, buddy. Whoa! So we're just arriving at the next spot. It's about a 10-minute walk, so not too bad. And we're just getting higher above the glacier. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, we've got some rocks here, some rubies, I guess. Wow. Oh my god. Right, that could be Mount Everest. Hello! Emperor!
We made it.
Honestly guys, I don't think the weather could be any better today. Such good weather. Oh, we got a cat.
Probably there is so many windy when you come.
Is this a snow leopard?
No, it's a cat.
It's a snow leopard.
Mountain cat.
Joking.
You can.
Hello, snow leopard. I come in peace. Yes, guys. So it goes all the way up to the base of that mountain there. Comes all the way down here. And I wish I'd remembered what they taught me in geography now.
Yeah, that's gonna be a D+, bro.
because of this beautiful landscape and hospitality people and party people.
That is true.
You can say that again.
And so this
Shukriya. Aapka naam kya hai?
mountain green tea.
Naveed. Thank you, Naveed.
All organic.
For some green tea.
Tomorrow?
Yes. They bring from the mountains.
Literally straight from the mountains, guys. I
Thank you,
swear.
Jerry.
Wow.
When you smell this, it literally.
So sweet. It's not that hot.
No?
You can try it.
Oh, that's actually doable.
Yeah.
Or maybe my.
Oh,
Hey,
it's
little
sure.
kitty.
It's a snow leopard.
Whoa, is that a snow leopard right there?
Yes, yes.
Does it bite?
Yeah, guys, so I'm facing this way so you guys can see the view. That's how selfless I am. Just drinking my green tea, mountain green tea, and enjoying the views. There's actually views outside as well, so I have got views. How many people in in your community?
Shukriya.
Almost in
delicious tea.
Hunza we have like
you so much.
3 lakh. Then Upper Gujal we have almost around 150.
Okay. So a fair few people. We've had a nice little trip up to the glacier. Incredible views, and also I heard, we were just drinking our green tea, and I heard some of the glacier falling down into the frozen water, and it sounded crazy. It was almost like a very low, not a loud explosion in the distance, you know, when it's just echoing. So really cool, and really cool.
You want to try the dodo?
Hello, Dodo.
Is it a nice dodo?
Oh, it's a ginger Dodo. Ginger ninja. Hey, I can see you peeking at me in the corner of your eye. Maybe not today, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish the video there. Thank you very much for watching. Got some insane drone clips and just crazy views. Even just walking now, I'm still taking in the views. And I will never forget this day for a long time. So if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow.